Well, hello again. This is not a repair video, and it's not even. Let me also turn off the instruments because don't need them in this video. So it's just a sort of a small review. I needed the webcam because the one that I use is crap, and I have the microscope here, and I wanted something that could rotate easily and follow me. So I found this OBSBOT cameras. I don't think they have any relation to OBS. It's a camera powered by AI. I found this on a very good deal. It's a resealed one, meaning that it was returned by somebody, so I got a really good discount on it. I paid it with my own money because it's something I needed, and I would like to try it and see if it's good and if it fits my needs. So it's a 1080p camera. Let's see how we can open it. Yeah, and it looks very nice. It's very small. It's a bit cold because I just got it from the courier, and it has this arm here that can be used to be placed on top of the monitor, on top of the display. Yeah, and it has a sort of a gimbal. It connects via USB-C, and it has a very nice, as far as I saw on their presentations, it has very nice applications for Windows and for MacBooks, but this time I'm using Linux, so I'm interested to see how Linux will work. We don't have an application for it in Linux, but I think we can still take advantage of the AI powered thing. It has also here a screw that you can mount it on a stand. Yeah, and this is kind of it. Let's see what else is in this package. I see we have here a box. I'm not sure what's in it. I think it's a USB cable. So it has a USB-C connector, and we have received the USB cable. It's fairly long. Yeah, and we also have an adapter from USB-C to USB-A. Yeah, I already have a cable prepared for it, so I'm not gonna use it right now. I think we can get rid of these. We don't need any more. I have a very big shortage of USB connections on my PC, so I'm gonna have to stop this video and remove my current webcam. This is an Oki. It looks like this. Yeah, it's not a bad quality, but it's not that great either. It's pretty bad in low light, and I have to move it manually, and it moves very difficult. So I'm gonna be right back with the new camera installed. Okay, so I installed the camera. It looks really good. I really like the image. It is way better in quality compared to the old Oki camera that I had, the webcam. So for a webcam, it looks very nice. I can also enable the sound on the camera. Okay, so now we are using the microphone from the camera, not this microphone here. I'm not sure how it looks, actually how it sounds, because I haven't listened it yet. But obviously it's not gonna be the same quality, but yeah, we'll see in the video when we look at it how it sounds. Now I'm back on the main mic here. Camera looks good. Now there are some gestures that we can do, like this one. In theory, it should zoom like 2x. If we do it again, it should zoom out. It should also have some dynamic zoom. I'm not sure exactly how it works or how I can enable it. I have a lot of stuff here. So yeah, now it activated like the standard zoom. Yeah, but I don't know, is it dynamic? No. So in theory, it should allow me to zoom in. Yeah, this is the dynamic zoom. Yeah, see? And now I can zoom in all the way or zoom out all the way. And the feature that I wanted it for is actually this one. So now it's, if I made this sign, the camera, well, again, the camera is in face follow mode. So yeah, if I move around, the camera should follow me, and this is great because here I go to the working bench. You see this camera here, but there's nothing I can do about it because I need it. It's the top cam. I don't want to raise it way further. I like the way it looks now. And if I go to the microscope, yeah, the camera follows me here and it's great. If I stand up, camera follows me back, and I go back here. And also I can disable this follow by this gesture, and now it's disabled, and it's back to the original setting. Okay, so zoom looks interesting. Of course you lose quality over the zoom, but that is it. So again, this was not a review. I just wanted to show that the camera works in Linux. You don't have the app. If you have the app on the Windows or on a Mac, you have way more options. It could follow your hands, it could follow your gestures and so on. But the face tracking is what I actually needed. And because it works without the software, this is great for me, and it's actually what I needed. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, give me a like, subscribe if you didn't already, and see you next time. Bye for now.